Hey everyone! Today we're checking out a cool tool called a before-after slider in Depicter. Search for before-after in the search bar and check out Depicter's cool templates. Depicter comes with numerous hot ready-made before-after templates. A before-after slider is great for comparing images, and you'll often see it on websites for things like dental clinics, beauty clinics, fitness programs, and more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Now, let's import this template to show you how it works in action. You can customize everything in the template to fit your style. Let's start with the images. With them selected, go to My Photos and simply drag and drop the pictures on the before-after images to replace them. Of course, you can change the texts. Let's start with the title here and continue with the other ones. Go ahead and preview your slider to see how it turned out. Looks nice. Back to Depicter dashboard. Let's create a before-after slider from scratch. Head to Create a Blank, then Hero section. Create a slider. Add a background image. From elements on the left sidebar, add a before-after element by simply clicking on it. Drag and drop the before-after images on each side of the slider. Continue with adding whatever you want, like text, vectors, and customizing them to your liking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. With the before-after slider selected, in Options, enable Blend and choose from its effects. Enable the Start on Hover. When it's enabled, the before-after will stick to your mouse on hover. Play around with the other options to your liking. Change the controls color to match your style. You can already see the changes live while making them. However, click Preview to see the final result. As you can see, when I hover on the before-after slider, it moves with my mouse. This is because we enabled the Start on Hover. That's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.